Here in North Kingstown, there really is one place that takes care of all your automotive needs. Whether it's service and maintenance, collision repair, detailing, towing, even rentals. It's Auto Service Auto Body, or as the locals know it, Max, here on Frenchtown Road. They have an excellent reputation and they're an Auto Intelligence recommended collision repair facility. So let's go inside and find out more about their work and their high level of customer service.
Well, the Collision Center in this location, we've been here for about 15 years. Before that, we were at another location my father ran. My grandfather actually started the company back in the 50s with a tow truck in the oil business in Providence. Our techs are all ICAR certified. Some of them on the mechanical end of things are ASE certified. Continuing education in the collision industry is ever evolving, and it's crucial that we stay on top to be cutting edge in the industry. As we talk about keeping up with technology in the collision industry, John, aluminum is a big deal going forward. Aluminum intrusive vehicles are becoming lighter and stronger. Manufacturers are using different types of materials, and we're doing everything we can currently, and we'll continue to receive as much training as possible.
And doing a thorough, exact job is important because you've got to bring it back to pre-accident condition.
Not only pre-accident condition, but better than pre-accident condition is what we like to strive for. You know, you can tell that we've put pride into the repair and the quality in the job. And every car gets nitpicked and torn apart, road tested, wind tested, noise tested.
Fussy is a good thing.
Fussy is a good thing.
In this
sure,
business.
And it's extremely important because not only are you dealing with personalities, but safety.
Not a bunch of tin knockers back here anymore,
No,
right?
those days are gone.
Well, let's take a look around.
So John, here's a good example of a front-end collision on a 2015 Subaru. You'll notice a little mash, a little sway. Those terms mean the direction of damage, how the inertia impacted the vehicle during the collision. And you'll notice it's sitting on our car aligner bench rack. Now there's a few parts to this piece of equipment. You have the bench, which the car fixes to. From there you slide the ladder underneath it, which is this tool over here. Now this tool is important because it actually tells the software where the vehicle is as opposed to the rack. The software does the math automatically, and as you measure, it will tell you the direction of damage. So if you have anything in the red, the numbers in millimeters signify the direction of damage and how much. So I know that this point is forward 4 millimeters, and that's measuring on the subframe underneath this vehicle. So it took a little shot in the wheel and swayed the subframe over just ever so slightly. So it's a brilliant piece of equipment that has really taken the industry 10 steps forward as far as providing quality repair to the unibody of a vehicle.
Well, you still can't fix a car without welding, but a piece of equipment like this must make it a lot easier.
This is the latest and greatest from ProSpot. This is the i5 squeeze type resistance welder. This will duplicate a factory weld. It's all electricity, there's no gas involved. It uses high voltage and squeeze pressure to create a collision safe weld on a vehicle. You want the structural components of that unibody to act the same as they were designed to from the factory.
And is it easy enough to use, or you could even teach me how to use it?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, it's very easy to use.
You can't go wrong, really, right? Because it tells you that when you've done it right.
Absolutely, and it'll let you know if there's a problem.
All right, we're in the paint shop now. Anthony, you guys use the PPG products.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me why.
Yes, sir. PPG Waterborne EnviroBase is the latest and greatest technology in paints, as far as, in my opinion.
Yeah.
There's a ton of paint lines out there. The color match and the tech support through PPG is some of the best in the industry. We're proud to have them here, and there's over 60,000 colors that can be made right from this bank right here. You're looking here at our library of spray out colors. We label them by manufacturer in the families of silver, red, whites. There's all different codes in here. So we can match it to the car before we actually apply it to the car, which is extremely important.
There's a real art form to doing it, isn't there?
You're absolutely right. The painter is a body man, he's a detailer, he's a frame tech, he's everything. The painter knows it all because this stuff is, it's very difficult, and it's an art form for sure.
Yeah. Let me ask you a little bit about the service part of your business, because you do regular maintenance, scheduled maintenance, and other kinds of repairs on cars too.
Yes, we do. Full range of mechanical services, brakes, exhaust, Rhode Island State inspections, tune-ups, mileage services. You get a flat on the side of the road, we'll send a tow truck to pick you up.
Now, take us through the process. Been in an accident, they call you, or the car gets towed in, and take it from there.
Sure. Well, unfortunately, when people walk in here, a lot of times they're upset. They just had a collision. There's damage to the vehicle. It's never, a happy experience when you walk in here. So we try to comfort people as much as possible. The girls do a fantastic job of handling the insurance companies, setting up the claims. We do have rental cars available on site. Every day, I think we take great pride in customer service and the quality of the repairs that we provide. Whether you're from the North Kingstown area and beyond, we have customers all over the state. So we invite you to at least come down, let me look at the vehicle, and we'll go from there and figure out a plan to get it repaired properly, safely.